Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing Topbox unboxing. So I'm going to do two, and one is January and one is December, and then March should be here, or March, it's not March. February should be here soon, but I figured I wanted to get these out and do it quickly. Let's just start off with the first one. So in here are some items, and the first item is this here. I'm kind of getting annoyed at these little itty bitty teeny weeny little free samples that literally I don't understand. They're supposed to be 4 to 5 actual decent like size of things. So this is the Derma Intense Eye Cream. So I have a few of these already. We've gotten this in our thing before. I don't feel like this does a whole heck of a lot. It's supposed to make your eyes, like it says that it's supposed to look like fantastic and amazing and makes your eyes really awesome. I haven't seen a difference when I've used this, so, but there's that. And then there is this here, and this is from Nude by Nature, and this I think is a lipstick. Yeah, it looks like a lip pencil in nude. It's very light, if you can see the coloring of that. I'm not going to wear this. If this is an eyeliner, still won't wear it. I'm pretty sure that this is a lip liner though. Packaging really doesn't say what it is, so either way I'm not really keeping that. So there's that. And then there is this here, and this is from a brand called Eternity, and this is a Color Couture. This is in the name. It doesn't have a name. It's got a number, but it's actually kind of cute. It's got like gold and purple sparkles. I think I might actually keep this and try it. I don't really wear nail polish very often, but it looks very nice. So I think I'm actually going to keep this one. Try it out. If not, I'll give it to my sister. And then the last thing in December's box is this. And this is a Freedom Passion hand cream. It's a regenerating hand cream. I do not know. It's lime zest and cypress. Okay. We've been getting a lot of hand creams lately. It's got a lid. I'm not going to take it off. I'm trying to cycle through a lot of my hand creams, and I've just been giving a lot of them away. So there's that. And then for the next box, so this is January's box. In here is this, and this is floss, and this is a highlighter. Let me just take a look at what color it is. What color does it say it is? It's called Sunbeam. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, actually that's not bad. This is what the color looks like. I'm going to, ooh, it's very creamy. Ooh, I actually really like that. I don't think I haven't kept any of the floss stuff yet that we've gotten in this box, but I'm really going to keep this one. This is really nice. Okay. I see what's happening here. Topbox is turning into Boxy Charm. 1 month I hate the box, 1 month I'm liking it. Let's see what else is in here. So this is from Derma. There's a lot, literally. Why do we keep getting stuff from this brand? I don't have a problem with it, but I'm just saying. They should probably cycle through some stuff. This is their Mircellar Water. Okay, so we know what that is. That's not the first time I've gotten that. I've gotten a Mircellar Water from there before. And then there is this here, and this is from Clarins. This is a purifying, gentle, foaming cleanser with alpine herbs and meadow sweet extracts. It's an anti-pollution. If you look really closely, you can see that there's little specks in it. It's probably because they've got the specks in there to kind of, you know, purify your skin. So I actually like Clarins. I don't think I've ever purchased anything from them because I keep getting things in my top boxes. But this is quite a big size. This is 30 milliliters, so I'm excited about that. And I think there's one more item in this box, and this is what it is. So this is from, I have no idea. This is the name of it. And it is a Science and Clinical and Organic eyeshadow, Duchess eyeshadow palette. Daily dose of skin feed colors is what it says on the package. Skin feed. That's the first time I heard that before. Okay. On the back it says, the skin feed cosmetic was created on a 7 beauty premise of synergy, which are beauty is the preservation of one's own health. Beauty is the diversity of one's own self. Beauty is the regiment that one see in the mirror. That is a very weird way of saying that. Okay. Beauty is loving one's inner self. There. Beauty is feeding oneself with love. Okay. Beauty is the architect for preservation. Okay. And then beauty is living in the synergy of one's own self is their thing. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna use this. I thought it was really awesome that we got a palette in here, but I think I would only use like 4, 5, 6, 7 of these eyeshadows. So that is pretty much, I'm not even going to swatch it because I'm literally just going to give it to a friend of mine who is also a makeup artist who will actually use it on people, whereas I don't do people's makeup anymore other than my own, unless it's a very special occasion. But that's really cool to be getting this inside a Topbox. I mean, the colors aren't bad. If it weren't for the fact that I have so many eyeshadows already, I'm pretty sure I would want this, but I mean, I have a lot of these colors already, and I don't do makeup on people, so I'm going to give this to my friend who will use it. But I'm not saying that I'm not mad at it, that's for sure. If I didn't have pretty much every single one of these colors already, I would be super excited about that. Well, that was everything in the December and January's top boxes. Okay. Full disclosure, February's box came before I even edited the video. So I'm just going to put this one in quickly too. This, I'm not going to, do the whole thing with my makeup, but I'm just going to quickly, briefly show you what's in February's top box too. So it's 3 top boxes together. Just look at it. This is what you're seeing. You're seeing this card here from Vor, I think it's called, Hair Care. That's all the things that it is. I've never heard of this brand. If you've seen any of my Top Box or BoxyCharm videos, you know that unless it's an actual hair salon brand, I don't use it. So I'll take a look at it, but there's obviously some of that in here. Let's do that first. So this is the brand here. This is the Sunrise Rituals Signature Shampoo and Conditioner, and I have no idea how to pronounce that. It's just literally VOR. I'm assuming it is European. Nope, made in Canada. Okay. It's French. It means to see. Okay, so we got those. Those are pretty decent sizes. I think this conditioner, probably not the biggest conditioner that I would need. But next up in here is this here. And this is the all in French. Why we be getting a bunch of French stuff, I do not know. This is what it looks like in the back. This is literally a hand and nail cream by whatever this brand is. Something Nux, Paris, Nux, whatever. I am not going to try to pronounce that French. So there's 2 more items in here, and this is one of them. And this is the Clarins Paris Revive Cream, Day Cream. So this is a lot bigger of a box than what the actual size in here is. This is what it looks like. It's small, but I actually really like these brands. I keep getting this brand and I don't hate it. I actually like these. So there is
how much is in here. It's only 5 milliliters. All right, and the last thing in here, underneath all of this unneeded fluff and crap that I guess I have to recycle, is this here, and this is from Bella Pierre. This is their Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the neutral matte eyeshadow palette. And that's what the back looks like. It's ivory, caramel, butterscotch, and truffle are the colors. Just going to use this to help open it up. So that is what the colors look like. I actually really like those. I think the only one I probably won't use is the truffle, which is the dark one on the end. I really like those. Let's do a swatch of them. This is what the swatches look like. Not gonna lie, they are not as creamy as I thought they were going to be, and they're definitely not as dark as I thought they were going to be. This did not swatch very well. I might have to try them again, but honestly, these swatches don't make this eye palette look like it is going to be easy to use. All right.
I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.